Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers from around the world, welcome to the Greener the Better show. The Greener the Better is not just a vlog, it's a call to action. It's an exploration of the symbiotic relationship we share with our environment and a stern warning against its misuse and abuse. We have had the privilege of witnessing the beauty of our planet in its various forms, and it is both our duty and passion to ensure that future generations can experience the same wonders. In the episodes to come, we will delve into the intricacies of environmental conservation. This is a journey of awareness and change. Join your host Stuart, and together, let's embark on this vital journey. For the greener, the better, join in on this global expedition of environmental consciousness.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss, one that concerns the delicate balance between our technological advancements and the natural world. We are going to explore how drones can disturb and displace wildlife, particularly nesting birds, by flying over their habitats, causing them to flee or abandon their eggs. Let's dive right into that. To begin, it's crucial to understand the widespread use of drones in various fields, from photography to surveillance and even recreational activities. Drones offer unprecedented opportunities for humans to explore the world from new perspectives. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Now, let's delve into the specific issue at hand. The impact of drones on nesting birds. Birds are highly sensitive creatures, especially during their nesting season. The presence of drones in their habitat can be incredibly disruptive and detrimental. First and foremost, drones can disturb birds in their nesting areas. The noise, sudden movement, and intrusion can stress the birds, causing them to abandon their nests, leaving their eggs or chicks vulnerable. Moreover, the physical presence of drones can lead to direct harm to birds. Collisions with drones can result in injuries or even fatalities, further endangering already declining bird populations. As responsible drone users, it's crucial to be aware of the legal and ethical aspects of flying drones in proximity to wildlife. Laws and regulations vary from region to region, but one common theme is the need for respect and protection of our natural environment. Research and understand the laws regarding drone usage in your area, especially in natural reserves and wildlife habitats. Always comply with these regulations to avoid legal consequences. Beyond the laws, it's essential to consider the ethics of flying drones near wildlife. Remember, our responsibility extends beyond legal obligations. It's about respecting the delicate balance of nature. So what can we do to ensure responsible drone usage around nesting birds and wildlife? First and foremost, maintain a safe distance from nesting areas. Use zoom lenses and high-resolution cameras to capture footage without intruding on the bird's space. If possible, opt for quieter drone models. The noise from drones is one of the most significant stressors for birds. Quieter drones can minimize disturbance. Plan your drone flights during non-critical times in the bird's nesting cycle. Avoid peak nesting and fledging periods when your presence can be most disruptive. In conclusion, the use of drones can indeed have a detrimental impact on nesting birds and wildlife. However, as responsible drone operators, we can take steps to mitigate this impact. Let's remember that our love for technology and nature can coexist harmoniously with the right knowledge, ethics, and respect for our feathered friends. Thank you for joining me in today's discussion. If you find this video informative and eye-opening, please like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can ensure that drones and nature peacefully coexist. Until next time, this is Stewart signing off. Stay informed, stay responsible.
As we draw the curtains on today's episode of The Greener the Better, it's been a privilege to have your attention as we delved into the crucial topic of environmental conservation. Remember, change starts with awareness, and if you found today's discussion enlightening, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your engagement spreads the message further and wider, inspiring more individuals to take action. In closing, let's carry the spirit of today's discussion with us. Let's be mindful of our actions and their impact on the environment, striving for a world where the greener truly is the better. Together, we can make a difference, one step at a time. Thank you once again for joining your host Stuart on The Greener the Better show. Until next time, let's keep working towards a more sustainable and harmonious world. Goodbye for now, and take care.